Good morning, dear students. Welcome back with teacher Saruon. Now it's time to study math. Yeah, today is Wednesday of 2nd September 2020. How have you been, everyone? I hope you are fine, and for me it's good. Thank you. Now, before we start our lesson, teacher want to let you learn to count or tell about day of the week. Everyone, do you know there are 7 days of the week? 7 days of the week. Okay, start with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, very good. So now everyone, before we start the new lesson, teacher want to let you divide the whiteboard, everyone. What do you see on the whiteboard? Yeah, they are, we say, shape. So here we call rectangle. Okay, rectangle. And the next here we call sphere. Okay, so now teacher will let you learn to draw about rectangle. Okay, look at the whiteboard together, everyone. It has 4 steps. Top, right, up, down, okay, down to the right. Okay, we say square or rectangle. Yes. So now we have 4 steps, and this is we call square. It has 4 steps. The same. Start. Okay, we call sphere, big sphere and small sphere. Big sphere and small sphere. Okay, so our lesson today we reviews about shape, rectangle and sphere. Rectangle and sphere. Big rectangle, small rectangle. Big sphere, small sphere. Okay, guys, now our worksheet that teacher want you to do here. Teacher want you color rectangle and sphere. Yeah, thank you kids for watching this video. Goodbye.